Good morning, children. In the previous classes, we discussed about what is a computer, why it is called a smart machine, and also uses of computers. Now we are going to discuss parts of a computer. Your body is made up of many different parts. Each part of your body does some special work. A computer is also made up of different parts. Each part of your computer does some special work. The computer can work only when all its parts work together. There are four main parts of the computer. They are CPU, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. These parts together make up a computer system. Most computers also have other parts such as printer, speakers, headphones, and also some other parts. Now we are going to discuss each part of the computer system. The first one, CPU, that is Central Processing Unit. In the human body, all the parts are controlled by the brain. Like in the computer, all the parts are controlled by the CPU. So it is called the brain of the computer. CPU is the most important part of a computer. It is the brain of a computer. It helps the computer work and remember things. It can do fast calculations. It controls all the parts of a computer. In most computers, the other parts are connected to the CPU with wires. In some computers, they are connected without wires. Next, monitor. The screen of a computer is called the monitor. It looks like a television. The monitor shows you all the work that you do on the computer. It shows you the words and numbers that you type on the keyboard. You can also see pictures and videos on the monitor. Next, keyboard. The keyboard has many buttons called keys. There are different kinds of keys such as alphabet keys, numeric keys, function keys, navigation keys, control keys, backspace keys, delete keys, etc. You can press the keys to write letters, numbers, and symbols. Writing by pressing the keys on the keyboard is called typing. Whatever you type on the keyboard appears on the monitor of the computer. Next, mouse. A mouse of a computer looks like a real mouse. It is moved on a mouse pad. When you move the mouse pointer moves on the monitor. You can use it to point at things on the monitor. That is why the mouse is known as a pointing device. The mouse usually has two buttons. It may also have a scroll wheel. It helps you to select an item on the monitor. It also helps you to draw and play games. Other parts of a computer. Most computers have other parts also. They are used to do different kinds of work. Printer. A printer is used to print on paper what you see on the monitor. It can print words, numbers, symbols, and pictures. It can print in color or in black and white. The printer paper is called the printout or the hard copy. There are many types of printers. The most commonly used printers are dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and laser printer. Next, speakers. Speakers are used to listen to music and other kinds of sound stored in a computer. When you watch a movie on the computer, you hear the sound through the speakers. Headphones and earphones. When you wear a headphone or earphone connected to a computer, only you can hear the sounds. So you can use them to listen to music or recorded sound without disturbing others. Microphone. You can use a microphone to record your voice and different sounds. These sounds get stored in the computer. Microphones and speakers are multimedia devices. They form the sound system of the computer. They allow you to listen to music and sound and to record it. Next, storage devices. You store some information such as your name and address in your memory. Your memory is in your brain. You store other information by writing it down. For example, you may write down the telephone numbers of all your friends in your diary. Computers store information in devices called storage devices. A hard disk is the main storage device of a computer. it is inside the CPU. It can store the most information. When you save a letter or a painting on your computer, it gets stored in the hard disk. CD and DVD. A CD or a compact disc is a round, shiny disc. It is used to store information. A DVD looks like a CD, but it can store more information than a CD. To store information or to get back information from a CD, it is inserted in the CD drive or the DVD drive of the computer. A DVD is inserted in the DVD drive. Next, pen drive. A pen drive is a small storage device. It is also called a flash drive. It can store more information than either a CD or a DVD and can be easily carried in your pocket. Last one is UPS. If there is a power failure, your computer can lose information. It can also get damaged. To prevent this, desktop computers are connected to a UPS. The UPS keeps the computer running for some time. If there is a power failure, this gives you time to save your work and shut down your computer properly. That's all the lesson. You watch the video and do the book exercise in next class. Thank you.